Okay, so we're here again doing the Gore-Tex versus pressure washer challenge. The reason why we're doing it again, part 2 if you like, is because we've had a bit of input from you guys basically, and you wanted to see him on a bike. Felt it was more of a real test if he was sat on the bike, okay, with all the creases and all the rest of it, and we completely understand that. So here we are again. We fired up the pressure washer. George has volunteered, he liked it that much yesterday, he wants another go today anyway. So we're going to fire it up, let it rip on the bike, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, test number 1, straight from the front. This is a fared bike, as you can see it has got a little bit of a screen. But what we'll do is we'll go from the front, and then we'll stop and we'll go a little bit from the side as well, just in case people are riding bikes that haven't got screens on, okay? Alright, so that's a blast from the front. I tried to get over the screen a little bit, but well, we'll see how it goes. Getting from the side now. Just swap sides there. Sort of, I don't know, sort of 45 degrees really. Just so I can, you know, get it into the chest and the arms and stuff like that, and the sides of the legs. You still see the water feeding off nicely. And the knees, loads of pressure on the bent knee there. Water's going to drip down now into the crotch area. The inside of the arm that we talked about on part 1. Okay, alright, we're not going to pause the video this time either. We're going to get George to jump straight off and we're going to unzip him and see, yeah? Okay, wet for the second time in 2 days, or dry we should say. There you go, bone dry. Nice to see he's got a clean t-shirt on. Legs.
Tip top again, thank you, mate.
Yeah, dry as a bone. Alright, so there you go. Gore-Tex versus pressure washer, part 2, on the bike. Still 100% success rate. Can't beat the Gore-Tex Pro Shell. Okay, please don't forget, like and subscribe our J&S YouTube channel and tick the little bell for the notifications. See you for the next one.